In front of me is CUBOT X70 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by accessing Devices settings and clicking on Sound and Vibration. Then scroll down, click on Vibration and Haptics and use this switcher at the top to turn them on or off. If you decided to enable them, click on all of those switchers in order to enable or disable those haptic feedback options. Haptic feedback for incoming calls. Option vibrate first, then ring gradually. And also vibrations for notifications, alarm, touches, and media. When you finished, you can go back and click on this switcher next to answer vibration to enable or disable this feature as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!